The heat is up. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z versus Realme Buds Wireless. Which one is the best earphones under 2000 rupees? Let's find out. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel, it would be highly appreciated. So recently I posted the review of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, and a lot of you guys requested for the comparison with the Realme Buds Wireless. So here we are today. We have a lot of things to cover, and this is how we will go. Unboxing, design, build quality, comfort and fitting, features, battery life, inline mic, sound quality and pricing, and my final recommendation. So starting with a quick unboxing, here are the shipping packets from Amazon. Let's quickly unbox them, take out our retail packaging. So here it is. Let's unbox these as well. And inside the box we get the earphones, USB cable, extra ear tips and user manuals. And that's pretty much it. What else do you expect from these boxes anyway? Design. So let's talk about the design of these earphones. In terms of design, both earphones are well designed. They have their own design language on the earphones. On OnePlus we have 4 color options: blue, mint, oat and black, which I have right here. And on the Realme we have green, orange and black yellow, which is this one. Now for the weight comparison, Realme weighs 30 grams whereas the OnePlus is 28 grams in weight, so there is not much of a difference between the weight, and both earphones feel light. Now one thing I want to address here is that the neckband on the OnePlus feel more soft and comfortable, and all the materials feels a little more premium than the Realme. Now I'm not saying the difference is like sky and earth, but it's a minute difference and you will only see the difference when you hold them side by side. So for the design wise, both earphones are good, but personally I like the Bullets Z Wireless. Build quality. Now build quality is not a big factor when deciding between these two earphones because there is not much of a difference between the two. Both earphones are solid and expected to last long, so you won't face any build quality issue if you pick one or the other. Comfort and fitting. Comfort and fitting is a factor which shouldn't be overlooked. It is important to buy an earphone which is comfortable and secure so that you can listen to longer sessions and they stay in their place. So talking about the Realme first, they have secure fitting than the OnePlus. As there are ear hooks provided on the Realme, it makes them glued to your ears, so no matter if you are doing heavy workout, running, cycling or anything, they will stay in their place. But on the comfort wise, they are not very comfortable as compared to OnePlus. The silicone ear tips are not soft and irritates a lot. But on the OnePlus, the tips are soft and comfortable. And I'm not saying that the OnePlus are like soap, which will slide after every few seconds. They have the shape of the inside part of the ear, so they also have secured fitting, but not like the Realme. So if you are specifically looking for an earphones for workout only, you have to go with Realme. But if you are a fat man like me and you don't do workout, you should definitely go with OnePlus Bullets Z as they are so comfy. Features. Features. There are a lot of them. First, let's talk about the OnePlus. On the OnePlus, we have Qualcomm QCC3024 chip with aptX support, and it enables a lot of functionality on the device, like the chip enables the device to be less power hungry and result in more battery life. On the earphones, we also get quick pair, which means if you are on a OnePlus device, whenever you turn on the earphones by separating both of these earbuds, you will receive a notification on the device to quickly pair the device, and next time the device will connect automatically and in just few seconds. And the functionality works same on other Android devices. Board charging is another feature on the Bullets Z. We get 10 hours of playback with just 10 minutes of charge. Although we will discuss battery later in this video, but they have given us fast charging option in the Bullets Z. Magnetic earbuds, exactly what it sounds like, but they went a step further and added auto pause. That is, whenever you connect both of these earphones together, it will automatically pause the song and it will turn off the earphones to save battery. And whenever you detach these earphones, it will automatically play the song only if you are on a supported OnePlus device, and this doesn't work out of the box, you have to go to settings, sound setting in your OnePlus device and enable that from there. And a big shout out to Gautam Prashar for this tip. But this autoplay function doesn't work on other Android devices. Only the auto pause function works. But the good thing is that we don't have to hold any buttons to turn on or off the earphones. It's all automatic. Quick switch is another handy feature that could be found on the OnePlus Bullet Z. And this is the most useful feature for all the IT workers who are working from home. The way this feature works is that suppose you are on a video call on your laptop and you want to switch instantaneously to your mobile device. You can double press this button to switch the connection back and forth between the two devices. One feature on the Bullets that makes the earphones more durable is the IP55 water rating, which means you can easily use these earphones in your workout and walk in rain without any worries, as they will be able to handle all the water. Now, unlike other earphones, we also have USB-C connector, and the last feature we have here is the low latency mode. It is supposed to give us as low as 110 milliseconds of delay. OnePlus says it will work on OnePlus 5 or above devices with the Fanatic mode turned on, but I've tested this feature on my OnePlus 5T, but the results were nowhere near to 110 milliseconds. So we will exclude this feature in this comparison war. Now, comparing the features of the Realme Buds Wireless with the OnePlus Bullets, we don't get any Qualcomm chip, but we do get fast pair like the OnePlus, which means the earphones will connect blazingly fast. Like the OnePlus, we also get the fast charging, but it's not as fast as the OnePlus. When you charge the earphones for 10 minutes, you will get 100 minutes of playback. But we do get the magnetic buds, and we get auto turn on and auto turn off feature here as well on the Buds Wireless, which means auto turn and auto turn off when you attach or detach the earbuds. Now, there is no quick switch on the Realme. And for the IP rating, we have IPX4, which means they are poor in water resistant than the OnePlus Bullet C. Micro USB port for the charging, which I don't like by any means, as I have all these USB-C devices laying around, so now I have to carry two cables. But if you do have a micro USB port on your phone, then this shouldn't be a problem. Now, there is no low latency mode, and even on the OnePlus Z, low latency mode doesn't work, so we can take this out of equation. So in terms of features, I can say that the OnePlus has a ton of features than the Realme. Battery life. But now, talking about the battery life, we have 110 mAh battery on the Realme, and on the OnePlus we have XX amount of battery. Yes, I couldn't find anywhere on the website or on the box or anywhere else in this Galaxy. But what we do know is that the charging time and the playback. So if I charge the Realme Buds Wireless, which took me around 1.5 hours to charge full, and after that it gave me around 10.5 hours of playback, which is decent but quite low for average person's usage. And on the OnePlus Z, it took me around 30 minutes to charge full, and after that I was able to get the playback of 18 hours, which is almost twice than the Realme. So in terms of battery life, OnePlus is the better option. Inline mic. Now, on both of the earphones, we have inline buttons for the play, pause, change tracks, adjust the volume and take calls, and for using voice assistant. But for the feel, I would say buttons on the Realme are mushy and not very tactile as compared to the OnePlus. Buttons on the OnePlus are also not very tactile but better than the Realme. One thing I noticed was the button placement. On the Realme, the buttons are placed on the neckband, which makes them a little hard to press and makes the inline mic distant from the mouth. So the inline mic audio quality decreases, but on the Bullet Z, the buttons are placed on the wire, which are easier to operate and brings the mic closer to the mouth, and in result we get better mic quality. But here is the audio test of the inline mic so you can have a better look. This is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the OnePlus Bullet Z. And this is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Realme Buds Wireless. Sound quality. This is important. Any earphone, headphone, speaker, if it's made out of gold and sound garbage, it is garbage. So let's talk about the sound quality of the earphones and see which one is the king. So starting with the Realme Buds Wireless, it has 11.2mm of driver, which produces very average sound quality. It has overpowering bass. Now, some people want this boosted bass, but if you listen closely, you will feel the other frequency range, that is mids and highs, are lacking. And this is because of the excessive bass. The driver is not able to keep up with all other frequencies. Also, one more thing, at higher volume levels, the earphones start to distort. So if you like to listen to extra bass, like you want to listen to hip hop, trap or any other bass heavy genre, you should go with the Realme. But on the OnePlus, the sound quality is superb. The earphones have 9.2mm driver, relatively smaller than the Realme, but it is very balanced out. You will not feel any frequency range to be excessive. They have good amount of bass, but you will not feel it's too much. It is just at the right spot. And the other frequencies are also in apt amount, and comparing the clarity of these earphones, you will feel OnePlus to be much more clear sounding. Both earphones are loud, but on the Bullets there is no distortion even at max volume. So if you listen to any genre like pop, rock, EDM, hip hop, house, R&B, acoustic, anything but without the boosted bass, you will love the Bullets Wireless Z. And personally I like the OnePlus Bullets. Price. But now talking about the price, the Realme is available for 1800 rupees and the OnePlus is for 2000 rupees. And if you want to find the best deal, you can check out links down below in the description. But if you are looking for any Bluetooth earphones, you can pick any one of these as they are priced almost the same. If you like boosted bass and ear hooks are necessary for you, you should pick up the Realme Buds Wireless. And if you want tons of features with best and even sound quality, you should pick the Bullets Wireless Z. Now if you ask me which one would I go with, then I'll pick the OnePlus Bullets Z. They have so many features and sound quality of my taste. But that was my comparison of the OnePlus Bullets Z versus the Realme Buds Wireless. And if you want me to compare the Bullets Z with the Boat Rockers 255 Pro, please let me know in the comments down below. But that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, just click the like button below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.